Now here I am, just about to fit the Artic Frozr 36 into an AM5 board. So I thought I'd just make a quick video because I looked on some of the comments of other people have made, and they've made a little bit of a mistake with the screws. You're supposed to use, on this particular board, the AM5 board, use the screws that come with the board. Don't use the screws in the box. So keep these screws, and then we're going to put these on here after I remove these, and we're going to use the screws in this board. So you don't need the screws that's in here. We'll have that thermal paste. So I'm going to put one on there and one on there. So let's undo these screws and use these screws. Not them ones. Right, okay, we're going to put a little bit of thermal paste on. If it comes out, I'm going to push it, and I'm scared too much comes out. But it shows on their video to go across there like that. Like that. And then across there. Like that. And across there. Like that. I think that's more than enough. Get off. So I think I've got plenty on there. You don't want to go too bonkers because too much and it'll go everywhere. Then at the bottom of there it says warning, please peel off label before use. And also if you look on top there, I don't know if you can see, it says Artic there. So have it that way. Don't turn around that way because it'll be upside down. Have it that way there. So, I think there's enough paste on there. I'm going to pop that on there. Somewhere but there. Like that. If I can get that to go in there, like so. And we're just going to do these screws up. On either side. I like to do them a little bit at a time. So it sort of goes down level, and it should be squishing all the thermal paste around. There we go. Almost finished. Bit more on that side. Like I said, I'm trying to go down a bit at a time, keeping it level. There we go. There we go, that one's done there. And then that one is done there. Also, I had a look twice at these fans because I was like, how do these mount? But the screws, them screws there, just push fit. There's little clips. Can you see them there? they're just a push fit. In there, they just clip in. So that's basically, it's quite easy to do. I thought they screwed in, and I was like, what? But they just push in like that. So there we go. It's as easy as that.